make snowflakes you can eat.
We made these tortilla snowflakes.
There aren't you can eat.
And we're going to show you how to make one so you can play too.
First, you start with your tortilla. This is going to be the bottom of your tortilla sandwich. Here you go. Here you go. Okay, spread your filling on top of your tortilla.
My filling is strawberry cream cheese.
My filling is cheddar cheese.
My filling is chocolate spread.
I'm spreading it all over.
It's hard because my chocolate spread is thick, so I have to really spread it out.
I'm just placing the cheese on top of the tortilla.
Smells good.
Then you're ready to make your tortilla snowflake.
Everyone needs another tortilla. Here you go, here you go.
There you go. And then you fold it once, and then fold it again, and then fold it one more time. And then you're gonna bite it, cut it, or take it off with your hands on the edges.
I'm taking little pieces out around the edges. I'm just using my fingers to tear it.
I'm using scissors to cut out little shapes. Each of the shapes I cut out is going to be a hole in the snowflake.
Wherever I bite is gonna be a hole in my snowflake.
Time to open our snowflakes.
Oh, they look so cool.
Wow.
Love it.
This looks so cool.
Yeah.
Now put your snowflake on top of your filling.
And the best part about tortilla snowflakes is eating them.
How does yours taste, Daniel?
It tastes so good.
For more great videos, press here. Come play with us. Or press here to subscribe.